Humble. Look at Humble up there.
It's bright,
It's so bright.
but no Starlink satellites.
Nothing.
At least you got Hubble recorded.
Yeah, I'm recording it now.
It already left Florida. Maybe there's another one gonna come.
Let me just...
There's always like more trains, so maybe we can get another one.
There's the Hubble Space Telescope, we believe.
Yep.
Coming by.
What we believe, I don't know. It's still visible, it's pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's amazing.
But no Starlink satellites. Yeah, it's already pretty much gone. It's in the Costa Rica area.
That was fast, and...
It went fast, yeah. And we could
It's still going.
Hubble?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
still
Hubble's
going.
still
Look at that. I don't even know that. I'm starting to believe that's not Hubble, but I remember it was going in that direction.
So maybe it could be the ISS. I mean, it looked pretty bright, so.
Hubble Space
And
Telescope.
it's high up,
Oh.
so it makes sense.
Is
That
there only
this...
time today?
What?
Is there only time today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks of things. Yep, I have not seen a single Starlink train.
There it comes.
Other than what
Going-
looks like to be Hubble.
Yep, going by the house now.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna fall. Where did Hubble go?
It's dimming down. It's gone. It's gone.
Okay.
There it goes.